How to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily hide your TikTok account from the people in your contacts. So before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get started. So what I'm talking about here is if I open up my TikTok and go to my friend section, here I will be suggested all of these peoples that are potentially in my contacts or somewhere connected on my socials. So that means they can also see you on your they can also see your TikTok profile on your friend section. So what you want to do is, in order to hide that, you just tap on the three dots to pop up this menu, head over to settings and privacy, and once you get here, if you scroll on the account section, you'll find privacy, and you will get a settings that says suggest your account to others. So just tap on it, and here if this is turned on, then that means your account is being suggested to your contacts, so just turn it off. It's also being suggested to your Facebook friends, turn it off as well, and people who open your or sends link to you is also turned on, so just turn it off. So once you do that, none of the people on your contacts or your Facebook friends will be able to see your TikTok account. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.